Today we are going to learn about trigonometry. So trigonometry are derived from two Greek words, trignon and metron. Trignon means triangle, metron means measures. So trigonometry has six functions, t functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. So to find the values of sine, we will use this right angle triangle. So we take this right angle triangle A, B, C. The side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. The side opposite to angle B is called perpendicular, and the side opposite to angle A is called base. So sine, we take this angle B. So sine B is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. The side that is equal to AC divided by AB. Cos B, that is base, divided by hypotenuse. Side adjacent with the angle B divided by hypotenuse, that is cos B. Tan B, sin B divided by cos B. So sin B is AC divided by AB. Cos B is BC divided by AB. AB cancel, is equal to AC divided by BC. Cot B is equal to 1 over tan B. So put the value of tan B here. AC divided by BC. So here it is BC divided by AC. The next one is cosecant B, that is equal to 1 over sin B. So the value of sin B is AC divided by AB. Put it here, AC divided by AB, that is equal to AB divided by AC. Secant B, that is 1 over cos B, 1 over, put the value of BC. Put the value of BC here, BC divided by AB, that is equal to AB divided by BC. These are the 6 T ratios, 6 T functions. So the next one is trigonometry table. So we will draw the table. Ratio angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. So sine degree, sine 0 degree. To find the value of sine 0 degree, we take 0 divided by 4 under root. So we know that 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Next, to find the value of sine 30 degree, we will take 1 divided by same value 4. So 1 under root 1 is 1. Under root 4 is 2, so that is equal to 1 by 2. So the value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. The next one is 45. 0, 1, 2, same number 4, 4 and 4. So under root 2 divided by 2, under root 2 divided by 2. So under root 2 divided by 2. To find the value of under root 2 divided by 2, multiply numerator and denominator by under root 2. We know that under root 2 is equal to 2 under root 2. So we will get the value 1 by under root 2 of sine 45 degree. So the value of sine 45 degree is 1 over under root 2. Next one is 60 degree, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 divided by 4. So under root 3 as it is, under root 4 is 2. Next 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. So cos, starting from this value, cos 0 degree, so 1 under root 3 by 2, 1 by under root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. The value of both sine 45 degree and cos 45 degree are common, that is 1 by under root 2. Next one is tan. We know that the formula of tan is sine over cos. So here sine over cos, so we divide the value of sine over cos. 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 divided by under root 3 by 2, that is 1 by under root 3. 1 by under root 2 divided by 1 by under root 2, that is equal to 1. Under root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, that is equal to under root 3. 1 over 0. Over 0 means we can define the number, that is infinity. We can also write it as not defined. So starting from this point, so cot is equal to 1 over tan. So starting from this point, 1 over tan, 1 over 0, infinity. So 1 over 0 is infinity. 1 over under root 3 is equal to under root 3. 1 over 1, 1. 1 over under root 3 and 1 over infinity, 0. So secant theta, secant is equal to 1 over cos. 1 over cos, 1 over 1 is 1. Take the value 1 over cos. The value of 30 degree, cos 30 degrees under root 3 by 2. So that is 2 by under root 3. 1 over cos, 1 over cos, 1 over under root 2, that is under root 2. 1 over 2 is equal to 2. 1 over 0, infinity. The number